So let's go through the sky this month. If you look in the west, Venus is gone now, but we do have the planets. Okay, Mercury down here and Mars. A couple of neat star clusters, the Pleiades and the Hyades, the face of Taurus, the Bull, and of course Orion, the Hunter. Jupiter tonight is in opposition. It's opposite the sun in the sky. In a few days, the moon also will be at full moon. So full moon will be near Jupiter in the sky. Here's an amateur view of Jupiter. Recent one, amazing images done by stacking video frames. But the Hubble Space Telescope isn't to be outdone, because Jupiter is now at its best place to see Jupiter. It just released, Hubble Space Telescope Institute just released this image. In the morning sky, right before dawn, Saturn is in the best position to see, and also Venus will come up before sunrise. Here's a recent picture of Saturn. So good, you can see the hexagon, which is a feature really highlighted by the Cassini spacecraft, but now we're aware of it, so we will keep an eye on it. There are now 3 bright comets in the morning sky. Well, actually, this one's up all night. It's up near the North Pole of the sky. This is, help! Yes.
That name up there?
Yeah, Tuttle. Oh, I'm sorry. Actually,
Jacobini-Creysac, it looks like.
Yeah, Tuttle Jacobini-Creysac. Okay. And this one went through the Big Dipper. Right now it's in Draco the Dragon, and it's bright enough to see in binoculars. This is a movie an amateur in Japan made of it going by M97 and M108 in Ursa Major, a couple of bright objects you can see through a telescope. And then another comet, this one will be more a big deal in May, but this is Comet Johnson. It's moving very slowly out of Hercules right now, and it looks promising. This is kind of a telephoto lens view of it. It's way out there, but it's already showing a nice tail and the coma in a recent 2-hour exposure of it, showing the dust tail beginning to form. Another comet, Lovejoy, this is one that wasn't doing very much until about a week ago. It suddenly burst into brightness up to the point where it's easy to see in small binoculars now, and a beautiful photograph of it by Gerald Raymond. This is going through Andromeda in the morning sky, and actually by the end of this month will be near the Andromeda Galaxy. Also in the morning sky, comet Pan-STARRS also is even brighter, and it's very easy to see, almost naked eye brightness, and is also sporting a beautiful ion tail. Another photograph here by Gerald Raymond in Austria, who uses international telescopes to take pictures. At the end of the month, well, actually not quite the end, on the night of the 21st, we'll have a beautiful sky, moon-free, to see the Lyrid meteor shower. This is made by a comet that only goes around the sun once every 4 centuries or so, but every April we go through the orbit of it, and it makes a usually pretty weak meteor shower. It produces maybe 10 to 20 meteors per hour, but we will have ideal conditions. This shower comes from near the constellation Lyra and the star Vega, which is directly overhead at dawn, so between midnight and dawn is the best time to see it.
Thanks, Tony.